Let's see what's going on with gold and US dollar. Okay, this one is daily chart. Okay, it's it is currently in uptrend, and it broke this trend line somewhere here. Let's see if the for the next day, if the candle is somewhere here, you can expect to short. But let me draw these major support level. Okay, okay, this is a big support. I would be waiting for this and see to if it comes and try to retest this trend line, and then a big fall might expect and try to come this moving average here somewhere here. Then I'll go for long position. Eventually gold is gonna go up for like next month, next 2-3 months, but for next couple of weeks this would be the trade I would look for.